Ubachas marnar MLA jongka Kongres na Mahati konstituensi. Hakasni balai jongka dorbar mang tingka. Ulawanra eka motion halor ka MoU penbijput. Balai sohe pedeng menteri rangba ke jalan Maikhuli bat Assam. Habawanra eka neka motion ubachas ula Paidin. Yaki kato ke neka benta jongka kam penbijput. Hapadeng ka Maikhuli bat Assam. Kentubru kawat banengkong neka phase 1. Balai sohe pedeng ki ar menteri rangba. Ulapan pau bagi babun ke jaka ki thain kaput kila syaklo na kajala Assam bat wat kapung dohkha ha Maikhuli ru mentah kelahap ha kajala Assam ubacha sula kentue ke sarkar ba mentah ka phase 2 kadai berkentu belang ki MLA ber MDC jongki konstituensi ki thain kaput bat kenturu bahakan ka kenti bamenta kam desu banmi kano ke jimba kala ha ka jing penbe yo pur Assam bat kajala Assam.
Special motion to be moved by Sri Charles Mangnar, MLA. Sri Charles Mangnar, MLA, to move this House to now discuss the second phase of interstate boundary settlement between Meghalaya and Assam and the need of reviewing the MoU signed between the two chief ministers. Mr. Charles Mangnar, MLA, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to move that this House do now discuss the second phase of interstate boundary settlement between Meghalaya and Assam and the need of reviewing the MoU signed between the two chief ministers.
Motion now moved. You may initiate the discussion.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you so much for allowing me to discuss about the second phase of interstate boundary settlement between Meghalaya and Assam and the need of reviewing of the MoU signed between the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and the Chief Minister of Assam. Mr. Speaker, sir, when we talk about the interstate boundary settlement between Meghalaya and Assam, yes, it is a long pending issue that the past government of Meghalaya had tried the level best to solve the issue. It may be noted that the state government in its letter number POL 78/2010/209, dated Shillong, the 8th August 2011, had claimed that over 2,765.14 square kilometer, approximately, of the land belonged to our state. As per the explanation given by the state government on the 8th August 2011, the border disputes between Meghalaya and Assam had taken place in the 12th sector as follows. Tarabari 4.69 square kilometer, Zizang 13.53 square kilometer, Hahim 3.51 square kilometer, Boklapura 1.57 square kilometer, Nongwa Mautamur 137.51 square kilometer, Khanapara Pelingkata 2.29 square kilometer, Deshdomaria 484.72 kilometers, Khanduli and Psiar 12.80 plus 64 square kilometers, Block 1 and Block 2 537.54 plus 1009.88 square kilometer, and Ratachera 11.20 square kilometer. As per explanation of the state government made in the year 2011, the total area of 12 disputed sectors is 2,765 square kilometer. It is, however, undeniable that more areas are being encroached. It may be mentioned that the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya and the Chief Minister of Assam met on the 23rd July 2021 in Shillong, and on the 6th August 2021 in Dispur in the state of Assam. The outcome of these two meetings is that both the states signed a historic agreement for closure in 6 dispute sectors that were taken up for resolution in the first phase. That is, number 1, Tarabari, number 2, Zizang sector, number 3, Hahim sector, number 4, Boklapara sector, number 5, Khanapara Pilangkata sector, and number 6, Ratachera sector. Both the state had constituted the regional committees in the 3 districts. That is, Ribhoi Regional Committee, West Khasi Hills Regional Committee, and East Jancha Hills Regional Committee. After constituted, the 3 regional committees had visited the villages that falls under the 6 areas of difference to hear the voice of the residents and to verify the name of the villages, and also to verify the principal criteria for approaching the issue, which include number 1, historical facts, number 2, ethnicity, number 3, administrative convenience, number 4, willingness of the people, and number 5, geographical continuity. After several meetings held by the regional committees, reports were made and sent to the respective states' governments. Even though I'm not a member of the regional committee, but it is disheartening to say that the government did not fully consider the resolution made by the regional committees. For example, the Ribhoi Regional Committee had submitted the report and suggest that all villages in Khanapara, Pilangkata sector and Boklapara sector falls in Meghalaya. But sir, unfortunately, MoU signed by the 2 chief ministers clearly indicated that the resolution made by the regional committees has not been fully considered, as many areas of the Khanapara, Pilangkata sector of the Himamalim, like the ASTC camp at Hemmarwet Khanapara, Dreamland Resort at Khanapara, fields of Yongkuli, Maikhuli, and Pilangkata, right Marwet. Plot of land at Barapathar, Fish Pond, Momari Bills at Maikhuli, now falls under Assam as per MoU signed. Furthermore, it is clearly noted that the MoU has many negative impacts. It may be mentioned that the Meghalaya government in the year 2011 had claimed over 2.29 square kilometers within Khanapara Pilangkata sector. But now it is left only with 0.55 square kilometer. Therefore, we lost about 1.74 square kilometer just because of the MoU. In Boklapara sector, the Hima Jirang and the Hima Nongspong had lost about 1.01 square kilometer, which included Jimrigaon and the Lungkhong village. Such similar cases was seen in the West Khasi Hills district, whereby many villages that falls under the Khasi Shimship, which were previously not included in the explanation made by the government in 2011. But presently, these were included in Assam. To name a few such villages are like the Namtarabari, Watre Rongchong, Borsum, Gorajan, Damrang, Malang, Jaipur, Huwapara, Malchapara, Salbari, the Bagdrab, and Malang Siminaguri of the Himanonglang citizenship, and also the Leja Dubi village in Jirngam citizenship. When taken into consideration regarding the East Jancha Hills district, the Meghalaya government in the year 2011 had claimed over 11.20 square kilometers. But now, it has got only 6.42 square kilometers, meaning that we lost about 4.78 square kilometers in Ratachera sector. Moreover, we had fully lost our ownership of the Malida River. The Meghalaya government had violated the paragraph 20 of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, as well as the Assam Reorganization Act 1969 and the Northeast Reorganization Act 1971 in signing the MoU. No prior information, consultation, and permission was sought by the state government from the different Hima Khasi and district council before signing the MoU. This shows that the government do not respect the traditional institutions and the stakeholders. And even more, no consultation was properly made within the House. Another important fact is that the state government did not include any member from the KHDC and JHADC in the regional committee during the first phase. Henceforth, while reviewing the MoU, all these issues need to be rectified at the earliest possible. Therefore, I suggest the government of the day that the same mistake should not be repeated while going ahead with the phase 2, which is highly sensitive. Local MLS and the local MDCs of those areas should be included as the member of the regional committees for the settlement of interstate boundary between Meghalaya and Assam. To conclude, I would like to state that the need of the hour is to shape public opinion for peaceful borders and redouble efforts for a political solution to this old decades disputes. With these few words, Mr. Speaker, sir, I once again thank you for allowing me to move this and to discuss the second phase of interstate boundary settlement between Meghalaya and Assam, and also the need of reviewing the MoU signed between the two Chief Ministers, that is, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and the Chief Minister of Assam. Thank you. I resume my seat.